Hey guys, so in about a week I'm heading off to New Zealand for 1 month. It'll be the longest time I've ever been away for, but I'm determined to fit everything into my Osprey backpack. You don't want to be lugging stuff on the buses, train or around town, because it can get annoying. So this is what I'm bringing. Clothes. For the bottoms, I'm bringing one pair of jeans, a skirt, 2 shorts, some sleeping trackies, and 2 sport pants. For tops, I'm packing 1 long sleeve top, 3 shirts, and 2 workout tops. And I'm also bringing 1 waterproof coat, a fleece jacket, and a hoodie. Undergarments include 2 bralettes, underwear, 2 workout bras, 1 warm socks, 1 active sock, and 4 pairs of regular socks. Toiletries and miscellaneous. Medications, shampoo and stuff, microfiber towel, a face towel, a waterproof bag case, eye mask and blow up head pillow, and then all these extras go into my carry-on. Oh, and I'm also bringing shoes. And swimmers. Now the final verdict. Perfect! I hope to see you next time.